In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Shopify plan using a debit card. Whether you're just starting out with your e-commerce venture or are looking to streamline your payment process, this tutorial will guide you through the steps in a simple and efficient manner. Let's begin with logging into your Shopify account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Shopify login page. Enter your credentials, paying careful attention to the email and password you've registered with. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your store's Shopify admin dashboard. This is your command center, filled with tools and insights to manage your online store effectively. Now, let's navigate to the billing section. At the bottom left corner of your dashboard, you'll see a menu called Settings. Give that a click, and a new page will appear with several options. Look for the Billing option and select it. This is where you'll manage your store's financials, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. In the Billing section, you'll find a variety of payment methods and plans available. To pay for your Shopify plan using a debit card, you'll want to focus on the Payment Methods area. Click on Add Payment Method and a new window will pop up, offering several choices. Since we're using a debit card, you'll select the option labeled Credit Debit Card. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to carefully enter your debit card details. This includes the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Take your time here to ensure that all information is accurate. An error in this step could cause payment issues later on, so double-check each entry. After entering your card details, you'll have the chance to review all the information you've provided. Make sure everything is correct and up to date. When you're ready and confident that all details are correct, click on the button that says Confirm. This will save your debit card as a payment method for your Shopify billing. Finally, once your debit card is added successfully, you'll want to set it as the primary payment method for your Shopify plan. This ensures that payments are automatically deducted, saving you from any interruptions in service. Keep an eye on your billing page for notifications or alerts regarding upcoming payments. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Shopify plan to be paid with a debit card. Keep in mind, if you ever need to change your payment method or update your card details, you can return to the Billing section and make adjustments as needed. Remember to always keep your payment information secure and update it when necessary. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this helps make managing your Shopify store a little easier.